Hello everyone. This week we'll continue receiving information about communication, which has to do with how people or others, like animals, exchange information with one another. So what you're looking at this week is actually an informational video called Dolphin Dinner. You're going to receive facts and information two ways. You're going to see it and you're going to hear it. So feel free to pause and play this video as many times as you need to. There's going to be a narrator explaining what's going on the screen. There's also going to be clips of dolphins in their natural habitat. And there's going to be special background music and sound effects to make the video more appealing or interesting to you as you watch and listen. Once you finish the video and played it as many times as you need to, then you'll be ready to send a message to me. If you need help sending the message, please be sure to click the link at the bottom of this page. Once you're ready to send me the message, you're going to type Dolphin Dinner in the subject line. For the message box, you can choose to write complete sentences or do a recording of your answers to the following questions. The first question is, how do dusky dolphins use teamwork to get food for their dinner? You can use the sentence starter, dusky dolphins use teamwork by, and then fill in the blank. The second question is, why do dolphins send signals to each other? You can use the sentence starter, dolphins send signals to each other because, and then fill in the blank. The third question says, how do they send signals to each other? You can use the sentence starter, they send signals to each other by, and then fill in the blank. The last question says, what other animal likes the same kind of food as dolphins? You can use the sentence starter, blank likes the same kind of food as dolphins. Okay, now you're ready to move into the video Dolphin Dinner. I hope you enjoy it, and then get ready to answer the questions.